The automotive industry has been constantly evolving since day one. With environmental issues, technological and logistical challenges, it is even undergoing a real revolution. At Renault Group, this industrial revolution is so huge that we are talking of the industrial Renaulution. This Renaulution is driven by the expertise of 65,000 operators, technicians and engineers, women and men, who are committed to performance, value creation and sustainable production. Our nearly 50 production facilities seek to reduce their carbon footprint and optimize their use of natural resources. All our teams work to promote sustainable mobility, reinvent themselves and develop the skills needed for new Industry 4.0. Our goal is to make the technological, digital and environmental transformation a reality. We want to ensure all our customers enjoy quality products and experiences across over 130 countries. The industrial Renaulution has begun.